Ready to embark on a furry adventure? Explore the Bill Atkinson Animal Welfare Center. Serving more than 7,000 animals each year, the center is an open admission shelter, accepting most lost, stray, or surrendered animals. From checkups upon arrival to our fantastic Facebook photo room, quiet treatment recovery areas, and cozy bonding rooms. Our world-class team is dedicated to the care of animals throughout Gwinnett. You can be a part of this amazing mission too. Visit us to volunteer or find your new best friend. Visit GwinnettAnimalWelfare.com to learn more.